Congratulations. Meet the Punisher. Hoo-ha!
Do like you did before, Mimi. We're trying to concentrate here. Look at her.
Is she trying to do it?
Mm-hmm. Yes, my baby.
Can I get on it?
Wait. Just hold it. Just hold it still so it don't move. There you go. Up.
Oh, what's her crime? She's the bestest crime I've never seen.
She's determined.
Hold it. Both of them.
There she goes. Get on up there, little sister. There she goes. Up. Oh, you okay? Oh, baby girl. You okay? Maybe you shouldn't get on that.
Duckle shouldn't get on it.
Duckle shouldn't get on it. You need to get on the babies. Oh! Oh, she can't. Honey, come here. Oh, she fell on her face. You okay? Well, you keep on crying. Here, hold this camera for Mama. Let me help her out.
Okay.
Wait. There she goes. There she goes. Oh, no, she wants to do it herself. Come on, help. Let Mama help you. There you go. There you go. Now, Duckle, you get on the other side.
Oh!
Hold on, Emily. Now go, Duckle, go. What do you say? Huh? You scared?
It's fun. How about it's fun? No, you're not Emily. Maybe I'll do one more faster. Baby. Oh. Why did she say no? Mama. Baby. A baby bird. It's Mama. So bad. Amazing a club.
Let me try to wipe her off a little bit. Is it fun? You think it's fun? You had to fall on your face, huh? Oh!
There's a storm coming!
I don't think so, sweetie. Not today.
Whoa. The clouds are turning black. Mama. The clouds are turning black.
No, it's okay. It's not that dark. It's just a little bit. Okay?